Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial today using the Marykay Rose palette. So if you're a Marykay user, then you've probably been seeing lots and lots of posts going all around social media about this gorgeous rose palette. I'm going to insert a picture of that somewhere on the screen. It's really beautiful, and that palette just kind of drew me in, okay? And I was like, you know what, girl? I got to do tutorials in this palette, and I want to see if it is dark skin friendly. I have used some of the colors in the palette already, which I know is fine, but there are some colors I haven't tried, so this is my first time trying them. Like some of the pink shades in there I haven't tried before, so I'm curious to see if those colors are going to show up on my skin tone and to see what kind of look we can come up with. So I pulled the colors out of my pro palette right here and put them in my compact just so that we have the focus being on these colors. So looking at a picture on my phone right here, I see that the first shade here is Blossom, but the shade I have in my compact is SandCastle, but I think that's fine, we can work with it. But every other color here is correct. So I swatched the colors on my arm, and this is SandCastle, and this is Sunlit Rose, and the next one is Golden Mauve, and this is Merlot, and this is Dusty Rose, and this is Rosegold. Alright, so those are the shades right there. Now we're gonna go into the palette, and I'm gonna actually come closer for you guys so we can see the true pigmentation of these colors. Alright, you guys, so we're up close and personal. I'm gonna start with my Marykay primer. I'm just gonna blend it out with the Marykay cream color brush. So I'm starting with Dusty Rose. So let's see if she shows up. So that's our first transition color. I was curious about this color in particular, you know, because the shade of pink it is. I didn't know if it's gonna show up on dark skin. So when I saw this palette on social media, it just kind of reminded me of the new Huda Beauty Nude palette. You know, all those pinks and mauves. Definitely like this. I like it a lot. So the next shade we're gonna pick up is Merlot, because you guys know Merlot is the business, okay? Merlot is not shy. She comes to the party, okay? No excuses. So we're gonna just use Merlot. Oh, look at that, honey. Look at that. Just dust up my brush a little bit because Merlot is powerful. Listen, if you're a chocolate skin girl, you have to have Merlot in your palette. The shade is the bomb, you guys, like the bomb. All right, so my goal today is try and use all the colors. So let's see. So my next shade will probably be Sunlit Rose. So just picking up Sunlit Rose. I'm actually gonna place her right here and see what kind of color she gives. So I'm gonna go with my finger actually, because I feel like it's gonna be better as far as getting the color to show up. So I'm just gonna place Sunlit Rose right there in the middle with my finger. And I like that a lot better than the brush I was holding. Okay, she's showing, she's showing. So next I'm gonna pick up Golden Mauve and just place that in the inner corner, but not all the way, because I'm gonna still place one more color. And like I always say, you wanna press these colors in to give it full pigmentation, because if you blend them, you're not gonna see the payoff. So for my inner corner, I'm gonna place Rosegold. As you all know, Rosegold is beautiful. So I'm gonna go back with my finger and just try to intensify Golden Mauve a little bit more, because I want her to really show up to the party, okay? Yeah, I feel like with certain colors, you definitely will benefit more with using your finger to get them to really pop, because with a brush, it kind of doesn't give it its full representation sometimes. So I do like to work with my fingers, and that is absolutely fine. So next I'm going to line my eyes with Marykay liquid eyeliner pen. So next I'm going to go with SandCastle, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Just going to place that right here. So now I'm going to go and finish off this other eye, and then we'll be right back. So now I'm going to pick up Dusty Rose and just apply that at the bottom. I'm going to line my waterline with the eyeliner pen. Now I'm going to just tap a little bit into Merlot, just a little bit, and I'm going to just use that to smoke my waterline. So just picking up Rosegold like that with this tiny brush. I'm just going to place that right here, just to kind of open up the eyes a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna just pop on some mascara and some lashes, and I'm gonna move on to the rest of the face. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to the Marykay Gel Semi Matte Lipstick in Mauve Moment. And I'm gonna go with the Gel Semi Matte Lipstick in Bashful. I'm just gonna put that in the inner parts of my lips, just to give us an ombre look. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips a little bit with the dark chocolate lip liner. Okay, you guys, so that is the look, and that is the Rose palette on us, and I think it is beautiful. It is definitely dark skin friendly color. The colors do show up, and I'm very happy that they do, because I really like them. So today I went with a pink lip, and you can absolutely switch up this look, you know, by changing the lip color, and I think I might actually do that. So let's switch it up and try another lip color with this to see how they look with the eyes. I'm gonna be using Midnight Red Gel Semi Matte Lipstick. Okay, I like that even better. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit of Bashful just here. Okay. So you guys, what do you think? I like it a lot, and I like it even better with Midnight Red, because y'all know I like my reds, okay? You can do a nude lip, you can do a red lip, you can do a dark lip. I think this look will complement almost all colors, you know? The Rose palette is really, really gorgeous, and it's absolutely beautiful, and I love it. So yes, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and of course hit the notification bell button at the corner so you get notified every time I upload. Thank you guys for your continued support, you guys. We are counting down to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you know, give it a like. Every comment definitely supports my channel, so it means a lot. So yeah, all the products I used today will be listed down in the description box. Go check it out for yourself. And as always, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.